first speaker for the day is Swami Dayadeepanand ji. He is a practicing doctor at Ramakrishna Mission Mutt, Khar. Swami ji. That bell at 4 minutes, and I'm so sorry I have to say this, but I'll request you to say
5:08 now. I should be finishing by 5:13. Right? Om Namaste. It's really a great honor to be with you all the great noble souls here. When I say noble souls, I mean it. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है मुंबई जैसे बहुत बड़ा शहर जहाँ सभी अपने कार्य में इतना व्यस्त रहते हैं कि अपने लिए भी समय नहीं रहता है. उसके बीच में इतना बड़ा संख्या में हम एकत्रित हुए हैं. That itself is a great success of this program which we are meeting for the 4th time. So I congratulate all the organizers for their sincere and honest efforts. And also, once again, I bring my greetings from Ramakrishna Mission Hospital in Khar. You may be knowing this is a 100-year-old ashrama on the 12th road, and at the same time on the 11th road we have a beautiful charitable hospital. When I was asked to speak something on harmony of religions, we come from different backgrounds, we have to live together, we should celebrate together. Few thoughts in my mind based on the philosophy, based on the monastic principles for which I have renounced everything of mine and into an organization started by Swami Vivekananda in the year 1897. Ramakrishna Mutt and Mission, Belur Mutt headquarters, has more than 200 centers all over the world. And basically in India, the mission is into health and education and practicing the philosophy taught by Swami Vivekananda, his Gurudev Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, based on the eternal principles of religion. So we have to first accept that we live in a diverse community. अलग अलग लोग रहेंगे तभी मजा आएगा. गाने का मजा तभी आएगा जब अलग अलग राग हो मिल के सा से सात तक, तभी उसका आनंद है. So we have to accept the diversity, but also try to think in unity. That's the first point which we have to discuss. For that, more and more such interreligious meetings, I feel, and how to bring it in community. Again, go and serve together in a community. Next point, based on the scriptural interpretation, yes, we can sit and talk to each other in detail, in length about the philosophy, what I believe in, and why I am practicing, and by practicing, how I am benefited. Yes, it can be done. So the highest thing which I believe and based on which I have dedicated my life for Tyag aur Seva. There cannot be a real service without sacrifice. अगर माँ बच्चा का सेवा करना चाहती है, अपना सब कुछ छोड़ के बच्चा के आनंद में अपना आनंद पाना होगा. So that is the philosophy I believe in and I practice. Exactly this was what preached by Sri Ramakrishna in his life, religious harmony. So based on that, I'll share few points on the philosophy. सर्वधर्म समन्वय के बारे में भगवान श्री रामकृष्ण का क्या कहना है. First of all, we believe in there is one ultimate reality. एकम सत्य विप्राह बहुधा वदन्ति. हम अलग अलग लोग अलग अलग भाषा में बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन एक ही सत्य है जो हमेशा रहना वाला है. उसका स्वरूप है सत चित आनंद. That eternal truth which is the basis for all the existence and the nature of which is bliss. आनंद ही उसका स्वरूप है, वो हमारा अस्तित्व है, वो सभी में है. उसको हमको सेवा के जरिए हर एक जीव में देखना है. This was taught by Sri Ramakrishna by his own example. So the main tenets of Sri Ramakrishna, the ultimate reality is only one, but it is known by different names in different religions. It is personal or impersonal. The second point, realization of the ultimate reality. साक्षात्कार, उसका साक्षात्कार, अपना अनुभूति हमारा जीवन में जब तक हम नहीं लाएंगे सिर्फ बात से नहीं होगा. My time is up. Same thing was taught by Swami Vivekananda. आत्मनो मोक्षार्थम जगद्धिताय च। अगर अपना मोक्ष चाहिए, अपना आनंद स्थिति आपको पाना है, दूसरों को सेवा करो. So Ramakrishna Mission, based on the Vedantic principles, lives that. So practical Vedanta put into practice, that's what the place where I am serving. So I am very happy to see all of you. And one more thing I'll tell and finish. Daily we see 500 patients in our hospital in Khar. And I promise you, we really mean that we serve all with equal love and respect. प्रेम से सभी को सम्मान से सेवा करने का कोशिश मॉन्क्स, डॉक्टर्स, सभी लोग हम मिल के कर रहे हैं. And I propose all of you visit the place and experience the bliss. Many of them already have visited, and I welcome all of you to visit and experience the bliss of service. Thank you.
Thank you, Swamiji, for keeping with the time as well as what